idea is given by Talcott-Parson. This person gives first ideology, and this is known as fit thesis. So before first thesis, he give us a basic definition. You can say the extension of the Murdoch, not an extension of the Murdoch, but like a Murdoch, he give us some essentials of basic essential for the family. Person has a historical perspective on the evolution of the nuclear family. His functional fit theory is the society change the type of family that fits the society. Hamza, like a Murdoch, he gave us basically two ideology, or you can say these are the basic criteria that then we can consider that this is known as the family. The first one is primary socialization. As we already discussed that the nuclear family is still responsible for teaching children the norms and the values of the society. This is known as primary socialization. An important part of the socialization, according to the functionalist, is the gender role socialization. I am going to discuss, and I am discussing another terms. Hamza, this is known as gender role socialization. If the primary socialization is done correctly, then if talk about the boys' perspective, they are known as instrumental roles. They are in an instrumental role, also known as breadwinner role. They go on to go out to work and earns money. But if we talk about from
They're basically the heirs, right?
sorry,
Then the girl, because the boy goes and works and the girl gets married in an
girls
ideal
learn
family,
to
right?
adopt the Hamza expressive role. Okay, doing all caring work, housework, and bringing up the children. Okay, this is
As
something
they should.
the division of the work. Okay, in the gender role socialization. Are you getting my point?
Okay, yeah, I get it.
The first idea was primary socialization, and the other is the stabilization of the adult personalities. The stabilization of the adult personalities refer to the emotional security which is achieved within a marital relationship between two adults. According to the Parson, working life in an industrial society is stressful, and the family is a place where the working man can return and you can say de-stressed by his wife, which reduce the conflict in the society. Okay, that's why that particular arguments is supporting the functionalism, is supporting the family, that the family is an institution that have a very significant role in the society, and society is running because of these not because of, but that is the institution which have a significant role in the society or in operating the society. That person gives another idea. This is known as fit thesis. He discussed some of the societies in pre-modern society and now in the modern society. In the pre-modern societies, that were basically non-economic societies, or you can say that time the economic or the financial wasn't priority for any families. Like extended family in the pre-modern societies was the dominant families. They have a multiple functions like productivity, and if we talk about socialization, they taught and they teach their children that how to learn, how to learn norms and the values of the society. You can say this is their home institution or their home knowledge they gave to their children. And if we talk about from the health perspective, they have different kind of a treatment. Every family have different kind of a treatment to heal some kind of injury in a pre-modern societies. And whenever we move into the modern societies, in pre-modern societies there were extended families, and in the modern society there are nuclear families. Nuclear family emerged in the modern societies. Why? Because of the industrialization. When industrialization is going, or you can say developed, what's happened, that urbanization basically has been developed. It is the time when you can say that this is the expansion of the urban areas, or geographical mobilities was on its peak. every person was in a position to move from one place to another. It was very easy for them to move from one place to another. So whenever they have a chance to move from one place to another, they can't take their full family or to move their full family from one place to another. Then what they have done, they used or they decided to move with immediate family, and this is known as nepotism. These ideas came from the mobility or geographic mobility of the human. Are you getting my point? So that family
Yes, sir.
structure in the pre-modern societies, extended family was there, but when industrialization comes into the ideas or comes into the sense of the pupils, and they were in a position to move from one place to another, what they have done, they decided to pick or they have decided to move from one place to another with their immediate family. Now you can say that was the idea or that was the time when nuclear family has emerged. Nuclear family, what is a nuclear family? Just you have your husband, wife and their kids, and the kids who are from their first marriage, and they have first marriage, wife, husband and their family. Okay, that was the idea that has been progressed from extended to nuclear family.